guys, it's me. And this is my assistant, Today we're making a Thanksgiving keepsake. Here's all the things that you need to make this super easy Thanksgiving craft. Do you need flaps? It's super easy. Watch. Ha. Give me my foot. This is the last one.
Oh, it's the last handprint.
Three, two, one.
Awesome. All right, Miss Abigail, are you ready for the final step?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we painting this time? That's right.
And my foot's gonna be the body of the chicken. Turkey.
That's right. All right, what color you have?
Brown. So we did the body, we did the feathers. So now we have to do the eyes, of course, and we have to do the nose and the gobble. I hope you had a fun time watching this video. If you haven't did, like, subscribe, and hit that bell to turn on notifications. Bye!